professor here because I have grown up in a Montfort area, in the whole conformed area, because a lot of people from our school from outside, they went to different colleges away from conformed. But I was in and around conformed till I became a graduate, and until I became until I made my Ranji Trophy degree. So I was around there only because I think that was one of the prime area at that time, because we used to be always there only, and then we had Alia school, and then the stadium also was very close, but we had a very small ground in our school, so we really made good use of it, because I remember now at that time to hit, because when you hit the wall it was 2 runs, when you hit without touching the ground, straight on the wall, it was 4 runs. I found it very difficult to even hit a 4 at that time. So, but now, when I look back, it's a blessing in disguise, and I think brother was always there. He helped me, he inculcated good habits in me, and then he taught discipline, and he used to play with us actually, to be very honest, because otherwise we wouldn't have won many matches when I was in school, because most of the scoring was done by brother only, and he used to hit 6s at that time, if I remember correctly. But we struggled to hit 4, but brother was always there, and I think I'm very ever so thankful to him for treating me like a student, where who is always willing to listen, who is always willing to learn from him. Because I always remember that it's good for the people, the brothers and sisters are here also. I think whatever I learned is because if you are a keen listener, if you listen a lot, then only you can learn. If you don't listen, you cannot learn, and then you have to ask a lot of questions. If you don't ask questions, you cannot learn. Because I remember every morning before I went, because I used to go for practice in the school and then also the stadium. But every morning before the school started, it used to start at 9 o'clock. At that time, and half an hour, 15 to 20 minutes, I used to go sit in, whether if you remember, I used to come and sit in your room. And then just for 15-20 minutes for me, that was the most important 15 minutes every day in my life, because I learned a lot from brother, because brother was good in mathematics. He used to teach mathematics also, and I was not very good in mathematics, so I took cricket. So, and statistics, not cricket statistics, I still don't know, actually, to be very honest. But I only played, when you're playing for India, you always want India to win. That's your most important thing. Because individual performances are no good if the team doesn't win. Fine, it gives you personal satisfaction, but if the team doesn't win, it becomes very difficult. So I think all the people, brothers and sisters who are learning here to come for the course, I think the most important thing is that the Almighty God has bestowed upon you the talent to come and be here and then learn from all the distinguished bishops here who are present here. They have also at one point of time they have learned from that side only, but I think listen to them. You have come here to learn a lot, so please keep learning, because nobody is perfect, and I think you have to have discipline. And if you don't have discipline, I think it's very difficult for us to achieve anything. I know you have to have the skill, you have to have the talent, but the talent and skill is of no use when you don't put it into hard work. When you put it into hard work, then only you get the result. Otherwise, you don't get the results at all. To be very honest, I wish you here, everyone the very best. And His Eminence Sir, you said that we have not called you for asking for anything. It is actually my duty to be of help to the minority community, and in that Christian community, I'm always ever willing to work for the Christian community. I think I've learned a lot from